Welcome back, Fishless fam. Today I'm going to be whipping up some fried catfish strips and we're going to be breading them in some Hooters wing batter. So we did an episode a few weeks ago where I used Hooters batter on perch and just thought it was delicious. So wanted to try with some catfish and see how it tastes. So the first thing we're going to do, I've got 4 boneless, skinless fillets. And we're just going to cut these up into strips just like you would a chicken. The fillets are pretty long, so I'm just going to cut them in half, make it a little bit easier, and then get about 3 strips out of each half. Alright, so we got all the catfish cut up into strips, got them in a Ziploc bag, and then we're going to go ahead and empty our Hooters breading into the bag. Seal it up. Give it a little shaky shaky. Shake, 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 shake. Alright, so we got everything in there good and coated. We're going to add some oil to the frying pan and we're going to get that hot and then we're going to meet you guys back at the grease. Stay tuned. Alright, here we go. We got our catfish strips going in. Dredged in Hooters wing batter. Alright everyone, so we just pulled out a batch of the boneless catfish strips that we made. I'm going to bite into one. Alright. Some really good flaky meat. That buttermilk that I had them marinating in overnight just really cleans the fishy taste out of them. It tastes so good. And that Hooters batter, it's 2 for 2 for me. Tried them on perch and I've tried them on catfish now. Oh, that's good. Alright, Fishers fam. Appreciate you guys coming in and sticking with me and watching as I cook boneless, skinless catfish strips with Hooters batter. What'd you catch, Robert?
Catfish. catfish.
Is that your first one?
It's my first catfish.
Yeah. What are you gonna name him? Whiskers?
Yes.
Hold it up. All right.